So today I will start Roman numerals, and this is your class 6 book, class 6. Open your books and then I will start exercise chapter 1, and in this chapter 1 I have already covered up to exercise 1.2, and now here this is the last topic in this first chapter, that is the Roman numerals. And in this first the word Roman, so from where this word come? Roman, I think you would have known that is the Rome. Do you know Rome? Where is Rome? Rome is in Italy. So from that country this word came, that is the Roman. Okay, that is this system of number came from that Italy or Rome, you can say. So here in this we have some symbols. Okay, there are some symbols, and here I have written these symbols like IV, IVX, LCD, These are the symbols. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 symbols, and these symbols are used to write numbers. And in this Roman system there is no symbol for 0. Okay, there is no symbol for 0. So here first remember, you must remember these symbols, that is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Remember this symbol I, V, X, L, C, D here, and in this the value of I is equal to 1. These are the values in the Indian system of numeration. So the value of I is 1, the value of V is 5, the value of X is 10, the value of L is 50, the value of C is 100, and the value of D is 500, and the value of M is 1000. Okay, so you must remember all these values. And there is a trick here. See that here the numbers like here 1, then 10, then 100, and then 1000 here. That is alternately the numbers like here 1 is there, then 10, or you can say that just multiply 10 to this, you will get 10 this, and then multiply 10 to this, you will get this 10, 100 here, and then again multiply 10 to this number, you will get this 1000 here. So these are alternately like 1, 10, 100 and 1000, and then you have this V, L, and here D. So again see that this is 5, this is 50, and this is 500 here. So 5 10 ja 50, then 50 10 ja here 500. So again like this, if you observe carefully and then write 3-4 times or 10 times, then you will learn this. And you must remember all these values of the Roman numerals. And now, and in this Roman numeral there are some rules too. There are some rules how to write, how to represent any number. So here in this there are some numbers which can be repeated. Okay, there are some numbers which can be repeated, and there are others which cannot be repeated. So here I, you can say that like I here. Okay, that is like when you write V, I here. So here I can be repeated and maximum 3 times. That is I can be repeated maximum 3 times, and others also like I can be subtracted from X and V only. Also that I can be subtracted from V and L only. Okay, so these are some rules here. I can be subtracted from X and V only. I can be subtracted from V and X only, and X can be subtracted from L and C. X can be subtracted from L and C, and C can be subtracted from D and M only, and V, L, D can never be subtracted. Okay, these are the rules given in your book, and then you will learn all these rules here. So I can be subtracted from X and V. So see here again that I can be subtracted. Here I is there. I can be subtracted from V and X. Okay, that is the value of V is 5 and the value of X is 10. So I can be subtracted from V and X can be subtracted from L and C only, and C can be subtracted from D and M only. So these are the rules. And now exercise 1.3. In this exercise 1.3, the first question is write the Roman numerals for each of the following. So question number A, it is 42 here. So how will you write this number 42? Question number, this number is the number is 42 here. So how will you write this number in the Roman numeral? So see, it is here 2 here. So how will you write here 40? Actually it is just break it like 40 plus 2 here. So write 40. So how will we write 40 here? So first see that we don't have any symbol for 40. Okay. So first we will take here that we cannot write like x also. Here if you write x, because we can repeat any Roman numeral only thrice maximum. So if you repeat x also, you will get only 30. So it is also not possible here, and therefore here only one thing is here that you have to write L here. Okay, L is there, and then subtract x from this, you will get 40 here. So how will you subtract here? Like when we write XL, okay, XL, it means it is 50 minus 10, that is 40 in this case. XL means here 50 minus 10 equal to 40. So here for this 40 we will write XL, and for 2 we will write like this. So XL, then double I here. So you will have this 42 in this case. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, XL double I, XL I. So this is the value of 42. Next is B, is 85. Now how will you write 85 here? So again if you split this, it will be 50 plus 30 plus 5. So now write 50. What is 50 here? 50 is L. So L, and 30 means here you have to write X thrice here. That is L X X X. Okay, that is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 80 here. And next 5. So 5 means 3 here. So this is the answer of 85. Next is C. That is C. In this you have the number 1500. So this will be, now see that it is 1000. Okay, 1000 plus 500. So 1000 means M and 500 means D. So here it will be simply MD. MD will be 1500. And next is number D. Number D is 1390. So how will you write this 1390 or 1390? So it will be written like 1000 is there, then you have also 300 is there. Then first write M for 1000, okay, M for 1000. Now you have here 300 here. So you will write here CCC, okay, CCC means 100 plus 100 plus 100, then 300 here, then 90. How will you write 90 here? So in this case 90 means just subtract X from C, that is XC. You will write XC here, that will be 90. So this is the answer, MCC CXC. That is the answer of this number D. And then number E is 348. So how will you write 348? So 348. So first 300, that is C, C and C. Then 48. So first write 40. So 40 will be, that is XL 40. And then 8 means that is VII triple. So this is 348. 300 and this is 40 and then this is 8. 348. So in this way we can write the Roman numerals. Now the question number 2. Write the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, so how will you write the Hindu Arabic numerals? So number 2. Write the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. Now what is the value of this in the Indian system? Here XX, XX means here 20 and this is 7, that is 27. Its value will be equal to 27. Next is B, XLVI. XLVI. Now what is the value of this XLVI? XL. Now see here that XL here. X is before L. that is when x is smaller here and L is higher. So here it means that x is subtracted from L, that is 40. So this is 40 and then Vi means 6 here, so it will be 46. C number LVII, triple I, yes. So now what is the value of this here? That L means 50 and V means 5 and 3, that is 58. In this the answer will be 58 here, because this whole is here 8 and this is 50, so 58. Next is D, CD. Okay, what is CD here? You would have used CD. Okay, there is a disc and you would have watched video in that CD, but that CD is not here. Okay, this CD is different CD here, and we have to find the value of this. That CD means the compact disc, that is, it is a circular disc which we use in our video player, but this is not that. So this CD means here, C means what? Again 100 and D means 500. So CD here, that is C and D. Now D is higher and C is lower. So this is 500 and this is 100 here. It means that C is subtracted from D. So it will be C, that 500 minus 100 equal to 400. So this is the value of this CD. Okay. Next is E. So in this you have CMLXV. CMLXV. So what is the value of this now? See here, that is CM, that is C means 100, M means 1000. So here again C is smaller than M. It means that C is subtracted from 1000. So it will be 900. Its value will be here 900. And here LX. So L is again here. So X is after L. So we will not here subtract X from L. When it is before L, then we will subtract. So here the value of L is 50 in this case, and this is here 10 and this is 5. So if you add all these numbers, you will get 900, like here 50 plus 10, 60, and 60, that is 5. That is 965 will be the value of this Roman numeral. Now you have to compare number 3, comparison. Compare two numbers, like A, you have LX, XC. So LX and XC. So first find the value of LX. What is LX here? LX, that is 50 plus 10, that is 60, and XC equal to X means 10 here and C means 100, means that 100 minus 10 is 90. So clearly you will see here that this is bigger than this. So therefore you will write here that LX is smaller than XC. Okay, therefore LX is smaller than XC. Next, B, XCII and LXV. Now in this how will you compare? XCII is equal to how much? X and C. So it is 90, that is 92 in this case. And LXV, L, that is 50 plus 10, 60, that is 65. So this is 65, and therefore here you see that XCII is greater than LXV. So this is the answer, B. Similarly, you can do other questions in this. And the next number is, that is 4. So in this we have to find out which of the following is meaningless. So meaningless means here that first is XC. So it is meaningful here because XC is equal to 100. This is meaningful here. The next is XVII. This is also meaningful. This is also meaningful because here 10 and here 8, that is 18. Next, XCI. So XCI, again this is meaningful, XCI. XCI means it will be 91. because this is 90 and this is 1, so it will be 91. And VL, so VL is not meaningful, because VL here, see that CD here, that is VL, okay, this is meaningless. Okay, because here before L there is V, and V cannot be subtracted from L. This is the rule, that is why here this is meaningless. And MVXVX, so this number D, E, MVXVX. So is this meaningful or meaningless? MV, M means here 1000, and again here see VX. So this Vx is not correct here, because V is less than here X, so we cannot write here V. So V cannot be separated from X, and also this, so this is again meaningless in this. So this is the question number 4. Now question number 5. Give the answer for each of the following in Roman numerals. Question number 5. A, XC plus X, XC plus X. So what is the value of this? XC, give the answer for each of the following in Roman numerals. So XC means 90 and this is 10, that is 100 here. So it will be actually equal to C, that is in the Roman numeral the answer will be C. And B, XX minus V. XX minus V is equal to, again here 20 minus 5 is what? 15. So write 15 here, that is X V, that is 15. The next C, LX minus XL. LX minus XL. LX means here 60 and this is 40. So it will be 20. So answer will be here 20. 60 minus 40 is 20. Next number D, XLIV plus XX. So how will be this, what is the value of this XL? XL means here 40 and this is 44 plus 20. 44 plus 20 will be 64. So what is 64 then? It will be L, X and IV, 64. So that is the answer. The next is last one is in this E. XXX minus IV. So XXX means 30 and this is 4. So 30 minus 4 is 26. So write here 26, that is X, X and 6, 26. So this is the answer of question number 5. And the question number 6 now, the last question here. 6, in this write the following Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic numerals. So these are the large numbers, actually C, 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 XL. So what is the value of this? Triple C means 300 and XL means here 40. So this is 340. This is A here. Next B, you have CD, XLV. CD, XLV. So CD, that is C means 100 and D means 500. So it will be 400 and XL, again XL is here. So it is 40 and then 45 and then this is 400. So it will be 445. Now what is the value of this? CLX VII. CLX VII. So CL, C means 100 and LX. So that is 50 plus 10, 60 and 67. That is 167. 100, that is C means 100 here, L means 50 and this is 10. So 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 7. It will be 167. And D here, DCCXL. DCCXL, So D means again 500 and CC means 200, then 500 plus 200 will be 700 and XL means 40 here. So 700 here, 40, 740 and E, XCIX. So what is the value of this? XC means 90 again, see here, XC, X that is C, C means 100 and X means 10, so it will be 90 and this is 9, so it is 99. So this is the last question of this exercise 1.3. So this exercise is finished and this exercise is your homework also. You will do all the questions. Listen carefully that the homework is this, that is exercise 1.3, all the questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You will do all these questions as a homework in your copy. Okay.